With so many smart home systems on the market, choosing the right one for your home or project can seem pretty overwhelming. Here to explain some of the key features of one of our most popular products, the Somfy TaHoma, is Marshall from our R&D department.
Somfy's TaHoma switch is an easy-to-use wireless home automation system that makes controlling your home easy. To set it up, all you need is a mains plug and a Wi-Fi connection. The free-to-download TaHoma app lets you create custom scenes for your blinds and curtains. TaHoma is also compatible with both Google Home and Alexa, so you can control your blinds with your voice. All you need to do is say, "Hey Google, close the roller blind."
Got it. Closing the roller blind.
All of Umbra's electric blinds and curtain track systems are compatible with Somfy's TaHoma. For more information on this system or a quote, please get in touch with a member of our sales team who will be happy to help.